Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenPad 10 and I'm gonna show you how to add the timestamp watermark to photo in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner at the bottom. And here we have access to the advanced camera settings. We are in the photo settings, so let's slide a little bit down. And here we have the timestamp option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. So let me keep this turned on and let me take a picture to show you how it looks like. Now let's move here to the right corner. When we tap on this we can get quick access to the gallery. And this is our picture. As you can see, the timestamp watermark is here. This is how it looks like. And of course, when we don't need it, we can easily go back to the camera and to the settings in the left corner here. Tap on this again. So now this is turned off, and when we take another picture, we can see the timestamp added. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.